Let's draw Hakari from JJK Season 3. If you like the tutorial, then like and subscribe. Like the video. Let's draw his second eye. Who's your favorite JJK character? Comment. And poster drawings in my community. All review with thumbs up, light skin tone. If this video gets 100 likes, I will make more tutorial videos for you. Almost done, check mark. Adding some details. Ta-da, it's done. Subscribe.